Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Both Dil Se, and I'm hope that you are doing your best and every day you are become innovative, creative, as I told my earlier video. And I made a lot of video guys for you. I made a video about tense, sentence, how to make verb to English and how to make sentence. I talked about everything, so you should watch all my videos. And if you just like my content, as I telling you, but I will tell you after my, I will show you my content. Okay, first of all, today we will going to talk about many more topics and many more ideas, because as I said, you have to become innovative and creative. You have to become, first you have to become socialized, because now I'm seeing that 15 and 20 students are not socializing and not become wiser and wiser every day, just because they they are just they are ashamed to be socialized. No, you have to be socialized. And also, okay, we're going to discuss about later. Look, if you have seen my last of dozen of video which I made for you, then you can easily see that I have talked about tense, verb, spelling, plural form. Okay, but today I'm talk about word to sentence. Now we're gonna make a sentence. Look, I just want you that you just fluent is English speaker. Your English speaking is like this. It's like this. Then you can compete this in this world, because now you can easily see that English become a global language, and now AI is also coming. So you have a very tough situation gonna coming, and I can easily see if you will not grow up in English speaking ability, and if you didn't improve your English speaking, you will be far behind to this world. Okay, remember, mark my word. Okay, so here are canon, canvas. There are spelling and there are meaning. Okay, English and Hindi, these are the two most important language in this India, and I think in this whole world, because we Indians are everywhere. We Indians are all in our world. Okay, so you will not face any problem wherever you go. Every Indian you will get a find, and you can do whatever you want to do. Canvas, symmetry, casual, climatic, coarse, confident, corpse. Again, I'm repeating you. Canon, canvas, symmetry, casual, climatic, coarse, confident, corpse. There are spelling and there are meaning. Okay, and now what we're going to talk about? We're going to talk about we're gonna make a sentence. Okay, this is how you're gonna speak English. It won't work like that. You are seeing just content creation video about English speaking course. You have seen lot of videos each and every day, and then you think that you are best in English. No, it won't work like that. It only works if you will try to speak in English, and just try make a sentence. Okay, just make try to first simple sentence, each one line sentence. Try to be two-line sentence. It will take time. Don't worry. Give every day just 15 or 20 minutes, and then you're gonna be fluent in English. Okay, that's the simple way. So canon. We will took a simple word. Okay, we will took a word rule. Okay, so you have to follow this rule, otherwise you go in a trouble. You have to follow this pattern. You have to look. If you won't follow the rule, police gonna catch you. They will gonna harm you. They will gonna beat you. You will follow rule, otherwise I will tell my senior. You have to follow rule, because is our are mandatory sheets. Look, I'm making sentence on the spot. You have to try this. You have to become like this. This is the way you wanna speak and improve your skill. Okay. Canon. If someone has canon, that everyone will offend. If someone has a look, we have talked about many. If we are, I'm from Rajasthan, okay, and you can easily see that in Rajasthan there are a lot of fort, and I visited too many forts. I mean, if I talk, I visited Jodhpur Umed Bhavan. I visited Jaipur Nahargarh. I visited Bikaner. There are seen a lot of forts. There you can see Maharana Pratap, the iconic and a very ideal person born in history. And everyone, if you didn't read the Maharana Pratap story, then you will watch many in YouTube channels. Okay, so look, I visited Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaipur. Jaipur is my, I think, best palace in a whole world. Yes, I'm telling you, Jaipur is my best palace in a whole world because there are a lot of memories. I spent around 18 or 19 years in Jaipur, so I can't describe you what kind of. I mean, my childhood spent there, so you can see that how I'm related to Jaipur. Okay, so Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer. Yes, if you didn't visit the Jaisalmer, you have to visit Jaisalmer at least once in your lifetime. Okay, it's a tremendous experience. There are a movie Border is also shooted in a Jaisalmer, and also there are a lot of palace to visit, and what a sightseeing view you wanna watch it, and what kind of experience you wanna get. Some Thar, there are a lot of desert, and you gonna take a very good ride. There are lots of foreigner visited there. I mean, you will get a tremendous experience. So just visited at least once in a lifetime in a Jaisalmer. You gonna feel that what kind of our ruler, our kingdoms works. What kind of time was that? I think life was tough that time also, and also today. But it's just magic you're gonna experience in a Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Umed Bhavan. Jodhpur is Umed Bhavan. I mean, most hilarious and most remarkable palace. I mean, lifetime experience you're gonna visit if you just visit only once time in a Umed Bhavan in a Jodhpur. And also, yes, I visited. I mean, Rajasthan. I mean, there are 4, 5 or 6 places. I visited Udaipur also. Yes, I visited once in Udaipur also, twice or thrice. But in Rajasthan, you have to visit if you are born in Rajasthan or wherever you are. I mean, what kind of palace you are living. Just visited 5 things in Rajasthan. You must have experienced this: Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, and Udaipur. These are the 5 extraordinary experience you're gonna get in Rajasthan. If you just talk about, I mean, Rajasthan is the symbol of these 5 palace. Okay, this you're gonna understand that what kind of history we have, what kind of people we are, what kind of our culture, our language. I mean, it's truly remarkable. And also, why I'm talking about Rajasthan? Because Rajasthan is the only one palace in a whole world where, I mean, if you talk about fort, then you're gonna see the architecture, the structure. Then you're gonna blunder. I mean, you're you really gonna you really gonna blunder that how this structure gonna made, how this infrastructure is gonna made. I mean, what kind of people they are, what kind of their thinking. I mean, they are truly genius people. I mean, labor who made that time this ancient technology. I mean, they were genius. I mean, they are 1,000 years far. 2025 people, what kind of ancient technology. So you really must have to visit these five palaces. We will gonna talk about many more about these things. Okay, canvas. Canvas. There are a lot of canvas and lot of carpet. If you are seeing, there are a lot of carpet and lot of canvas. There are a lot of carpet, and if we just talk about red carpet in our Bollywood fantasy movie. I mean, of course, our Hindi cinema is too very good, and they given us more entertainment, more fun, and more content that we can love them. Okay, so yes, canvas, cemetery. I mean, people who in a graveyard, either they dead or they become a zombie. Cemetery. These are similar word. Okay. Casual. Just take a very casual way. Okay. Don't take too serious that anyone will harm you. Anyone will gonna burn you. No, no. Just take a very casual. Okay. Take a just easy way. Okay. Casual. These are the similar word. Okay. Climatic. Course. If you really want to become a millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire person, then you really should watch, really should study about billionaire books. I mean, good. I mean, there are Rich Dad, Poor Dad. I think I didn't read. I'm saying that I didn't read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, but I listen too much that these are the finest book we can see. Okay, so whatever you want to become, just take a simple take some books and which are related to that course, and then you gonna study and you gonna better and better each and every day. Okay, confident. One of the most important thing in your life is confident. Okay, so people who are look, but there are two types of confident. Look, this is the most understand. This is the thing you look. If you are confident, if your confidence coming to, if your confidence coming into your experience, then it's good. Then it's really good. But if you are confident without experience, then it's really bad, and it can be destroy you. It will be very harmful. So always be confident. If you always be confident, if you know, just tell the people. But if you don't know, just be silent. Okay, it's not necessary that you are confident everywhere like you know nothing and you are just buck. Okay, these are the. Okay, so always be confident. If you know, just tell the people, and if you don't know, just silence. Be silence, be calm. Who's going to tell you that you have to speak or you have to shouting or whatever? Corpse. There are a huge corpse of China. Okay, you understand this? Soldier who died in a battle, they become a corpse, and we can read them too in our newspaper, news on things. I think I have talked too much about my. I think I talked about too much in a. I think I talked about too much, and if you just look, if you please just like, share and subscribe my channel. I know you are gonna loving my content, and I know every day you are watching my content. And please do your opinion or try to do whatever you want to read. You want to abuse me, go abuse. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to say, just do. And also thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Just please follow, like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.